Welcome, students. Today we are going to be looking at general constructions. Get your mathematical set ready and ride on with me. Today you are going to be learning various things, which includes 1. Bisection of an angle, 2. Construction of 90 degrees and 45 degrees, 3. Construction of 120 degrees, 60 degrees and 30 degrees, and lastly, bisection of a line segment. Now, we'll be starting bisecting an angle and constructing 90 degrees, 45, 60 degrees, 30 degrees and 120 degrees. Bisection of an angle. To bisect an angle means to cut an angle into two equal parts. That is, to divide it into two equal parts. Look at this angle. It has a vertex A, the point of intersection of the two line segments. Put the tip of your compass at the point A, the vertex. Draw an arc to cut through the two line segments. Then you have that. Then you take the tip of your compass to point B and point C respectively. Taking it to point B, draw an arc at the midpoint of the angle. Then you repeat the same process with the same radius. Do not expand your compass. With the same radius, you draw the same arc to cut through the first arc. Then you have that. Then now you can join the vertex A to the point of intersection of the two arcs, which you can label D. So join A to D. Use your straight edge to join point A and point D. So doing that, you have that. So now you have successfully divided the angle BAD into two equal parts. You have bisected the angle BAC into angle BAD and DAC respectively. This is a good job, guys. So now I would like you to pause this video, take it back and try it. Constructing 60 degrees angle. To construct a 60 degrees angle, take the tip of your compass to point A. Then from there you draw a semicircle in that manner. Make sure the semicircle is touching the line segment AB. Then take the tip of your compass to that point you have there and draw an arc with the same radius to cut through the semicircle. Then join the point A to the point of intersection of the semicircle and the arc. So you have a 60 degree angle. you have a 60 degrees angle. So now guys, I want you to pause this video, take it back and try it. Okay, constructing 120 degrees angle. Know that 120 degrees is 60 plus 60. So now you just need to construct 60 degrees twice to have 120 degrees. How do you do that? Let me show you. Take the tip of your compass to point A, draw a semicircle. Take the tip of your compass to that point with the same radius, draw an arc to cut through the semicircle, and with the same radius also, take it to the point, draw an arc, then you have 260 degrees. Now, you join the point A to the second point of intersection of the arc and the semicircle. You have 120 degrees, guys. This is a very good job. This is angle 120 degrees. So now I would like you to pause this video, take it back and try it. Alright, constructing 30 degrees angle. So 30 degrees is the bisection of 60 degrees. So the midpoint of 60 is 30. So it's just like dividing 60 into two equal parts. So now you have your 60 degrees. So to construct a 30 degrees angle, you take your compass to that point, take the tip of your compass to that point, then you draw an arc, make sure it is at the center of the angle 60 degrees. Draw an arc in that manner, take the tip of your compass to that point also, with the same radius, draw an arc to cut through the first arc that you've drawn. Then you join the point A to the point of intersection of the two arcs to have 30 degrees. So you have successfully bisected 60 degrees to have 30 degrees. You know now that the bisection of 60 degrees is 30 degrees. So now pause this video, take it back and try it. Alright guys, welcome. Constructing 90 degrees. 90 degrees is the midpoint of 60 and 120 degrees. So 90 degrees is between 60 and 120 degrees. If you subtract 90 from 60, you have 30. And when you subtract 120 from 90, you have 30 degrees. So it is the midpoint of 60 degrees and 120 degrees. Now to do that, let me show you how. Take the tip of your compass to the point A, draw a semicircle, make sure it is touching the line segment AB. Take the tip of your compass to that point with the same radius, draw an arc to cut through the semicircle. Then you have the 60 degrees. Then with the same radius, draw another arc to cut through the semicircle. Then you have your 120 degrees, right? Now take the tip of your compass to the point that we have there, and you draw an arc at the center of both 60 and 120. So make sure it is falling at the center. So you take it to the second point, the tip of your compass, don't forget, draw an arc to cut through the first arc. Then you join the point A to the point of intersection of the two arcs. Then you have angle 90 degrees. So now we are going to be looking at constructing 45 degrees. Constructing 45 degrees. 45 degrees is the bisection of angle 90 degrees. That is, when you divide 90 into 2, you have 45. So now you take your compass to that point, then you draw an arc. Make sure it falls at the center of the angle. Take it to that point, the tip of your compass. Draw another arc with the same radius to cut through the first arc, then join the point A to the point of intersection of the two arcs. Then you have 45 degrees. Now guys, pause this video, play it back and try it. See you soon. Bisecting in line segment. When you have a line segment, how do you bisect it? How do you divide it into two equal parts? Using a compass and a straight edge, you bisect segment AB. So you have the line AB and you are asked to divide it or to bisect it into two equal parts. So as usual, you take the tip of your compass to point A. So now take the tip of your compass to point A and you extend the radius of your compass above the midpoint, though we don't know the midpoint yet, unless you measure it, but you can use your eyes to trace it and you know that this place is the middle. So you just extend your compass, the radius of your compass, extend it above the midpoint of line segment AB. Note that if you do not extend the radius above the midpoint, you will not get it. The bisection will be wrong and probably the arcs might not join. So now we can sense that the midpoint is in that area, so we can extend the radius a little bit above the point. So when you extend the radius a little bit above the point, you have it like that. It is not compulsory that it is exactly the same place mine is. So you just extend it above the midpoint of line segment AB. So you now draw an arc. Make sure you draw an arc at both the top and beneath line segment AB. So make sure this arc falls at the center, though you don't know the center, but you can sense it that the center is around that place. So draw an arc at the top, falling at the center of line segment AB, and draw another arc with the same radius. Do not extend the radius of a compass at that point beneath AB, and you have that. So you repeat the same process by taking your compass, the tip of your compass, take the tip of your compass, take it to point B. So with the same radius, don't forget, do not extend the radius of your compass. So with the same radius, you repeat the same process and cut the two arcs that we have at the top of AB and beneath AB. You draw an arc to cut through the two arcs. So now we'll be having the third one there, cutting through the first arc, and with the same radius, do not extend it, you draw an arc to cut through that will be the fourth arc to cut through the second arc we have beneath AB. So you have successfully done a very good job. So you join both the points of intersection above line segment AB and beneath line segment AB. So joining, you have it like that. This is a very good job, guys. So we have successfully bisected line segment AB. You will discover that that line is a perpendicular line to line segment AB. So when you bisect a line, then you have a perpendicular line dividing the horizontal line into two equal parts. So we label the line L. So you note that this is our own conclusion. You note that the line L, I've said this, the line L is perpendicular to AB. So the line L is a bisector of AB, in another word. So you can then label the midpoint of AB C, and you can say AC is equal to BC, because we have divided AB into two equal parts. So we can say AC is equal to BC. So guys, this is how to bisect a line segment. Bisecting a line segment means dividing the line into two equal parts. Dividing the line into two equal parts. So guys, I want you to pause this video, take it back and try it.